Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. Now once you're inside the YouTube homepage, if you haven't already logged into your channel account, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner. Just click on the sign in button and then use your credentials, and once you are logged into your channel account, you can directly go live from the create option. Click on the create option at the top right corner alongside the notification bell, and now you have three different options. If you click on the second option which says go live, this will take you into the live stream settings. Now once you're inside the live stream page, you can immediately start a live stream right now by clicking on the start button alongside right now. You can also choose to schedule your stream by clicking on the start button alongside later date. Choose whichever option is suitable for you, and you will be asked whether you want to use your built-in webcam or your streaming software. Once again, choose your appropriate option and you might be asked to allow camera and microphone access. Once you allow access to both of these, you will be able to set up the title as well as description for your live stream. Just type in your title and description, and once you scroll down, you will be able to choose various other settings such as category and thumbnail. After choosing various other settings and entering tags as well from the show more option, you can click through the next button to customize your live stream. After you customize your settings as well, you can proceed through the visibility settings and immediately make your live stream public. And there you have it. That is how you can go live on your channel on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.